acquiring stream, and we are live. What I told y'all motherfuckers, excuse my French, but Friday the boner candle, we knew it was coming. Welcome to the Crypto Face channel, where we tell you what's gonna happen before it happens, frequently, accurately. Ooh! Ooh! Alright, let me change my titles and everything. Let's tell everyone that we're live here. I gotta tell the channel that we're live. Let me put some music on here. Let's take a look see here. Okay, let's take a look see here. Fucking A. Good shit. Oh, yes, it feels so good. It feels so good. It feels so good. Okay, you posted?
Yeah.
Yes, sir, folks. We said that it was primed and ready. Look at the daily. We said it broke the resistance on the daily, and that is a clear shot to 8,800, a perfect Friday boner.
I don't think there's anything stopping this till like 8,800, 9K, bro.
There's nothing stopping us until $10, $11, $12,000. It might even come before my prediction. We will probably see one Chinese trumpet where we actually close maybe 2 or 3 days below the day before. Don't know when that's gonna be. Could be 3 days from now. But we're gonna keep going, man. I mean, we are on fire. Currently, I am 350 plus 120. $470,000 long between two accounts. Yippee-ki-yay. You guys want to bitch about, oh, Crypto Face never shows his teeth. Well, there you go, bitch. Our whale crew is popping off. This is just one of my accounts right here. Up 8,500 for the day. Yippee-ki-yay. In fact, actually, that's a lie, because I already closed another trade earlier. Technically, I've made about 12 grand so far. If you want a trial, I got one for you. It's between my left nut and my right in between. You can trial this. I have more room for more groupies. We have about 4 or 5 groupies. Should have 10. To my current groupies, that's a lie. I don't have 5 other. You're the only one. You're my favorite. You're my favorite.
Are you talking about me?
Are you talking to me?
Are you talking about me?
I feel like I should have taken profit at 8,700, but it's sticking at the 8,600. Right? What am I looking at? What are we doing here? What are we doing? I just got back home. I'm flopping and groping. Boom, baby. Boom, boom, boom. Looking at the shorter time frames. Let's take a look. See here. The 1 minute. What about the 1 minute blue wave though? Yeah, we're still. The gates are open. The gates are open.
It's the schlong.
Shout out in chat. Say yippee-ki-yay if you are long from earlier today or yesterday. Yippee-ki-yay. Going to 12K. Yippee-ki-yay. Should have closed, taken some profit at 8,700. I'm going to instruct my whale crew to not be afraid to take some profit. Shaving some profit. I'm going to shave a little bit myself. 8610. I just shaved 1/4 from one of my accounts, and the rest I'm holding in greed. Oh, we have a special guest on the stream besides Flopping Groper. Shoe Money is on right now.
What's up? Thanks for having me.
Oh yeah, no problem. We're just chilling, folks. We're just chilling. Are you tired of working for some other man? Are you I was just at the bar actually, and I'm in like swim shorts, and the bartender asked me, she's like, are you going to this club? I was going to the club and shit. I was like, I just took my dog to the fucking groomer. I always look like I'm going to the club. And next to me was this buff ass dude, this soldier guy with a beard, and he's dressed up in professional attire. It's hot as fuck outside. And I'm sitting there thinking, I said, what's up to him? We were talking and shit, and I was like, man, this guy, he seemed like a rather smart guy. I'm like, this guy's, smart, and he's, making probably $60K a year. He's out there sweating. And what he makes in a year, you can make in a week or 2 weeks, if only he knew. The only thing that is separating you from the freedom is yourself, your fear, discipline. It doesn't take a genius, folks. I am no genius. I have 2 eyes, 2 arms, 2 legs, 2 balls, 2 nuts. Don't you have the same? There is no excuse.
We can't train like you, brother, and you're the fucking beast, bro.
Oh, thanks, man. I appreciate it.
We follow you, man.
Thanks. Appreciate it. Taking a look, we were talking about the 1 minute clusters of green dots. What did we say when we see a cluster of 3 or 4? It's cocking up. So when was this? This was 4 or 5 hours ago, even on the 1 minute. And I'm showing this because I know how many you flopping gropers that are like, the 1 minute. Even on the 1 minute, you can get indication for the situation that is coming up 4 or 5 hours ago.
I hear the call of the wild. It's mating season in the underground.
It's mating season in the underground.
They're schlong candles.
Sink my teeth into your flesh. Hunt you down. Hear my prey. Welcome to the jungle.
Damn, this guy sounds like the Zombocom guy. He says, welcome to Zombocom. This is Zombocom. If you're on vacation in the United States, I mean, come on. All you have to do is use some people say you just use a VPN only on registration. From what I hear, Bybit isn't BitMEX. They're not. In fact, there was a good, what did you say about Bybit and BitMEX, brethren?
Oh, yeah. BitMEX is like a cold skyscraper. And Bybit is like a nice, cozy log cabin with a fire.
In the darkness, I hear the call of the wild.
It just needs some more adoption.
It's mating season in the
It'll
underground.
go bonkers.
Like a foster child, we just need more adoption.
Yeah.
Sink my teeth into your flesh. Hunt
Yeah, BitMEX is like the foster parent that rapes its foster children. It's taking in
to the jungle.
you flopping gropers that are brand new. You hear about BitMEX first because it's the biggest. And it does. It rapes you with overloading, with market fees that are...
It's just a machine, dude. It's like a slaughterhouse, bro. It's like watching, dude, trading on BitMEX is like watching the cows getting ground up in the fucking meat grinder. It's like, ugh. It's like, what's happening, dude? Like, everyone's just getting destroyed. Like, fuck.
Yeah, it's really fucked up. I remember I had exactly 1 Bitcoin in profit on a trade. And I said, I'm going to exit market to see how much they're going to fuck me. I clicked market with 1 Bitcoin in profit. I ended up making 0.43 Bitcoin off of the trade. They gutted me for almost 60%. With Bybit, I don't even see you don't even like notice.
Okay, I should be like a testament of how well your shit works because I am a complete crypto idiot, and actually today I made a almost disaster mistake of moving that little leverage bar mid trade to 100x. I thought maybe it'd just show me what would happen. Like maybe just show me what would happen. Oh no. And then I had to like limit self like immediately, like boom. And I was like, oh my god. I was like $4 from liquidity.
Yeah, that's scary. I've done that before.
If you're in a position, that it changes your position up on you. You can't be adjusting that slider willy-nilly, especially if you're already in contracts.
It's not one of those, I wonder what it would look like if I moved this. Is it going to ask me for a confirmation? No.
On BitMEX?
Yeah.
Yeah, on Bybit, it asks you to confirm. It says, are you sure you're going to do this? With BitMEX, they don't care.
Yeah, I need to get the rest of my stuff off of BitMEX because that Bybit is so much better. Why? Let me ask you this. Can I ask you some noob questions?
Yes.
While we're watching the erection. So,
I changed my mind.
Do you have 2 accounts so that you can just ride the waves on both of them? Or do you do one?
That
like,
is
for
one
a longer
reason,
time
yes.
period and one for a. Because I look at it and I'm like, okay, well, I'm in this short, but okay, but there's going to be an uptrend here, but I'm going to stay there. So let me scalp that too. While I'm in myself.
You have 2 accounts because on one account is like for bigger moves, one account is for like smaller moves, and that's pretty much it. Because sometimes you'd be like, I know overall it's going to be going up. Like on the daily, these past few days, we've known that every day it's going to go up. But we've also seen the signs knowing that there's going to be $100, $200 drops. And you make a lot of money off of a $100 move. And, you know, if you see money, free money on the table, why give it up?
Yep.
Take it.
That's the thing with my one Bybit account, because that's when it hit me, because I was just sitting there and I'm watching and I'm not flapping and groping, but I'm just jerking off watching it.
Yeah, well, you don't even know if you're scalping or swinging, dude, because you got one account. So it's like, what am I doing?
Yep.
So that's where the 2 accounts comes in. It separates in your mind where you have it. And that's what you're supposed to do with everything. Compartmentalize, you know, like structure where you can understand shit. But
and like today, there's
huge.
There's so many moves like up and down. I'm watching Market Cipher and it's predicting the future for me, and I'm just like, it's all right there.
Accounts.
It's all right there. I need multiple accounts.
Yep, it's
That's
true.
the key.
And it makes it so much easier to enter and exit, to really exit the trade. Like, it's one thing people struggle with the most is exiting and taking profit. You know what I mean? And like, because they just want to hold on and hold on and hold on forever. I want to hold on forever right now. I want to hold on till 12K, but that's impossible to do because I see these numbers. And so I have another account, so it alleviates that pressure.
Yeah, I mean, like today was I basically sold, but even though I was long, I sold because I wanted to ride the trends, and I was from then on. But yeah, you gotta have, because I got my. The problem is I have this Market Cipher crystal ball, right? I look down, I shake it. Should I buy? And it says yeah, or outlook not clear, you know, and I just hang. But today it was like, you should do this, you should do this, and it just took me up and down, and I crushed it today, swinging like that. But if I'd had 2 accounts, I would have had the other one long, and I'd have really crushed it.
Let me turn up your microphone here.
I know, cause I'm pimping you like nobody's business right now.
It's all right. I don't mind being You know, I prayed to Jesus for the world to pimp me so they can profit and better their lives. And it's like a mutual pimp. We pimp each other, and that's what makes the world go round. It's
Mutual
just
exchange.
like trading. In fact, it is sales, it is trading that cut. You know, it's the knife through the butter.
And your crystal ball is way too cheap. You need to jack that up to like 3 Bitcoin.
I know,
it's,
but
it's making people millionaires.
dude,
And
I know. But it's go on. I don't mean to cut you off.
I'm telling you, it's market cipher, but you should dub it as crystal ball, because it's like you just look at it and you're like, oh, that's the future. All right. You're calling your shot. You're like Babe Ruth, home plates, pointing left field, knocking out of the park.
A tiny losses, guys. The scalp signal today was a loss. I already said that in the last stream. Again, I said small fucking short. We got out like 15 minutes later. If you're gonna be like that, like really, bro, come on. Like what are you trying to say, Brian Lee? What are you trying to say? Please tell me. If you lost more than the gains you're having now, then especially when I say this is a small hedge fucking short, and we exit when the price moves $30 the opposite way, don't fucking try to pull some bullshit. No, they weren't. You're a fucking idiot, dude. You are so stupid. What are you talking about? You're saying the last 3 trades were losses? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? The last 2 shorts? Yeah. The last 2 shorts went back literally $30 in price. This is why when the price is low to enter, this is what happens, the quality you get. You still get little worms. They literally still complain when you nail the fucking call to 87, 8800. Ridiculous, bro. Ridiculous, dude. Ridiculous, bro. Ridiculous. Negative ass Nancy, bro. Negative Nancy. Send me your Bitcoin address. I'm going to give you a refund. Send me your Bitcoin address and let me know your username. If you're unhappy, obviously you're unhappy. That's okay. Not everyone has to be happy in the whale crew. You can send me your username, who you are in the whale crew. Send me your Bitcoin address. I'm going to give you a full refund. It's all good, bro. Apparently having a short scalp where it's literally says small. I mean, if you're complaining about that after the moves we've been making, bro, I don't want you in my trade group, for real. Send me who you are. Send me your Bitcoin address. I'm going to give you a full refund. Please. Ridiculous.
I'm gonna take a whiz, get some cold brew. I'll be right back.
Ridiculous. There always has to be a negative Nancy.
Always. I'm gonna send you today. Where's my shit?
Here, I'll even show it right here. Let's see here. So I said small. Here we go. Where is it? Entering a small short scalp at 82.74. Sprinkle a little more at ASA. If 8300s, if you didn't get in, is a good short scalp right here. It went back $30. Exit short literally 15 minutes later. So yes. Nah, you're being a negative bitch, bro. When we just had this fucking move, when our biggest trades are skyrocketing, that's a bitch thing, bro. No, you're being a bitch. Please. I don't want you in my trade group, bro, if you're gonna act like that, bro, for real.
Look at the message.
You're being beta. That's some beta shit. Passive aggressive bullshit. Don't want you in my trade group. If you're not happy, if that's what you have to say, instead of talking about the major gains, bro. Like, literally, it's completely outweighed. I don't want you in my group, man. For real. I'm going to give you a full refund. Full refund. You can keep the profits. Keep the profits you've made. Anyways, next subject. Sorry to cut you off, Shoe Money. What were you saying, bro?
No, it's all good. Check your show the images on the thing I just sent you. That was today. Look at how much time I spent.
Do you want me to show this to the stream?
Yeah. Look at the
Alright,
time.
what am I
Look how
looking
much
at here?
time I spent. That was just going off a market cipher. Now I did it through 3 commas because I don't trust myself on the actual interface until I write my own little Bybit bot, which I will, and let others use it and charge them a lot of money.
Way to go, dude.
Oh, just watch, brother.
Oh, but you could have done it in 18 minutes, though. How come you didn't do it in 18 minutes?
But that's not bad. Just going off the market cipher shit, right? Look at, yeah, 10 minutes, 24 minutes. All I did was look at market cipher. I swear to God, if I showed you my actual speculation trades, I've done nothing but lose money. And I go off of that signal, boom, 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 boom. Look at that, easy. Easy, what's that, like 500, 600, something like that? In like, no time? It's that easy.
I'm still waiting for Brian Lee to message me his Bitcoin address. Obviously, he's not happy.
Yeah, fuck him. So, Father's Day special is your last chance ever to get market cipher for under 2 Bitcoin. That's what you gotta do. And even though I'm shilling your stuff like crazy, you're not even paying attention.
You said I'm not paying attention?
No, because I just said it's the last. You gotta let everyone know it's the last moment to get it for under 2 Bitcoin. Because you're making millionaires out there, bro.
We got some fucking big YouTubers fucking that are just getting market cipher, and so far it's going very positive. And so we're just staying the course, but we're on like the cusp of a major boner breakthrough.
It's an organic process.
Dude, have you seen this guy on Twitter who has like 131,000 followers?
No, I am not on Twitter.
We're not on Twitter. We got our Instagram. We're building it up, but yeah, bro, it's raw, man. Like you know how it is. Yeah.
Well, you just blew my whole thing out because it's me. But anyway, we can pin this thing. I get like at least 50 views on my YouTube videos, so I'm gonna blow it out of the water.
I know I could charge. Trust me, I know what we have is more worth than the fucking price that it is. Like, I know, but like other people have charged more money and they have less members. Like, I actually make more by charging less. I have people all around the world, and like I do want to help the small man, you know. And so like the price is beyond fair. It's affordable, and like I don't just want to have this available only to the higher class and higher class. I do want, you know, people that, you know, I have people in Venezuela. Like if people from South Africa that are being oppressed, and Venezuelans, and I mean, I have a million different examples. But if like they can afford it, like all kinds of people can afford it. Sponsoring a guy with multiple sclerosis, you know, I don't know. I gotta think about how I can charge more for certain things. I gotta.
Well, the people.
Chinese trumpet, by the way. We told you, Chinese trumpet, Russian spritzers, more Chinese fucking trumpets. This is the second one today, folks.
Play some trumpets.
You just have to charge enough so that people put work into it. Because when they don't pay for nothing, then it's just like, But when you pay for something, you actually use it.
Yeah, man, and you'll get bogged down real quick with some of the newer folks. When the entry price is low, you get people who need more dedication, time, and effort, and there is only so much room for that. It's like how a country can only handle so much welfare, you know. There's only so much time before the product and the services you give to people won't be as good. So what you want won't be what you're getting anyways.
Or maybe you could give them
process.
Maybe you could give them like a week trial so they could build up, you know, enough money.
There is a trial.
do the whole thing.
We told you where the trial is, folks.
He told you. I don't know, but he told you.
I've had so many flash sales. Guys, there was a time we were doing this for what, $400? Like, it's, you guys, I tried to give it to you for such a low price where it was costing me money. Literally, my expenses were more than what I was earning from it. You guys had the chance. You had the chance.
And plus, what you're talking about doing behind the scenes even more. This is gonna. It's way too cheap. I have been selling products for so long, and products for other people with my own app services, everything. This is money, and it's not a steep learning curve. Because I can do it. So, and I've got friends that have been in crypto for like years that are now like, how can I get that? And I'm like, you just need to go sign up, and they're gonna buy it. So I've been watching all these educational courses and stuff, all confused and whatnot. This is easy. Easy. Are you playing music on your live stream?
Yes. I'm still waiting for Brian Lee to, since he's unhappy, to send me his Bitcoin address for a refund. Still haven't gotten it. I think it's always so funny when people want to sour and talk shit in the whale crew, yet they fucking run away when I tell them I'll give them a refund. I say, I'll give you a full refund, and we'll call it bygones, and then they shut up. And they don't want to fucking, they want to stay. So if you're going to be a bitch, I would imagine that you want your money back, right? So
when's the Crypto Face conference? CFC. I'm dubbing it now.
Oh, dude, I almost did a seminar conference thing where like I would be doing it like on the side, and the opportunity went away because I didn't fucking sign up in time. So there's some other asshole out there that's telling old people with the seminars.
The World Crypto Conference, Joel Comm and those dudes used to be in my, well, we used to be in the same industry years ago, even though
well, we have been fucking murdering. We have been murdering it. We have been murdering the scalp trades, bro. You're telling me you're bitching about 2 minus $30 moves. Get the fuck out of here, bro. Please, I'm asking you to send me your Bitcoin address. I don't want you in the group anymore, bro. If someone, when things are going so well and you find the littlest thing to be a negative bitch about, I don't want you in it. I don't want you around anymore, bro. And so if you're gonna be, I don't want you around, bro. I don't want you around, bro. Please send me your big. In fact, I tell you what, I'll give you 50% more than what you paid just to have you out. And we'll call it a day.
Dude, you're like Professor X, like sending out brainwaves, and like people interfere with the brainwaves, and you like fucking goomba on them.
Big time. Because this is serious shit. We have people have families and real lives. Like,
Yeah, and you can't fuck with there's like a vibe, there's like a feeling going on right now. We're like gelled into this market. So if people get emotions, if emotions start elevating, then
fucks with everything, which is exactly it.
Everything.
And if you are not smart enough to even understand that concept, Brian, that's why I don't want you in. Like if you're, there's a rapper, his famous song is "Bitch Don't Kill My Vibe." Okay, so you should listen to that song and think about it. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. All right. In the good news, we're adding more people to market Cipher.
2 Bitcoin. We're splitting it. If you
Most
go
people
to-
don't have that though, bro. I'll end up having 10, 20 members. Unless, if you know 100 people that will sign up for 2 Bitcoin, then I'll say, okay, bro, I'll do it.
What do I get out of that?
I'll buy
Dude,
a
you got the
sandwich.
results.
You
You're
get market
showing.
Cipher for a year. You get
Yeah.
market Cipher for a year.
Nice. Well, what did I just? I mean, I'm not even playing with big money, and I've already paid for it in an hour or 2 hours. Or what you just showed people.
Man, we almost hit 8,800. We hit 8,700. We said the market was priming up for the boner candle. Priming up for the boner. That Head and Shoulders everyone was talking about. Everyone who go to every YouTuber.
Fuck that Head and Shoulders, man. Fuck that Head and Shoulders, dude. That should be a commercial. Are you sick of looking for Head and Shoulders patterns?
Oh my God, you're
Introducing
right.
the
We need
market
to.
Cipher.
We need to use that one. Are you tired of these European? In this video,
In this video, we are monitoring a Head and Shoulders pattern.
There's a Head and Shoulders pattern. The Bitcoin.
All right, are you FOMOing in? I might FOMO back in. No, bad idea.
Yeah. I mean, whatever. It's down to 86. Like I said, listen. Every day, it's going to keep closing at a higher rate than the previous day. Besides 2 or 3 days within a 15-day window from 2 days ago. Does that make sense, everyone? So from 2 days ago, for the next 13, 15 days, only 3 days out of these 15 days will the daily candle close lower than the higher previous before of the Saskatchewan negligence.
All right, let me ask you a new question.
Sure.
Well, probably all my questions are new questions, so let's start with that. So when you go, what leverage do you use? When you go, obviously short term, you use higher leverage.
It's a very good question. It's a
What?
very good question. Let me answer that for you. When on your first entry, right? You want to use lower leverage. So let's say maybe you start with 10. Honestly, 10 a lot of times isn't enough for people to wet their greed beaks. And so 15 is kind of a sweet spot. You could even start with like 13 per se. And as things go up, and you want to enter back in, or if they go down, if you're short, then you can increase your leverage a little bit. But I never go over 20x leverage. Like 20 is my max number. And like 7 is like my low number. 20 is my max.
So all I've been doing is 30, so I'm doing it wrong.
Oh man, yeah, you got to
Jesus
start
Christ.
lower, bro. You got to start lower and then increase. Once you're in the green, you can up leverage, and it actually reduces the amount of your own money that you have on the line. Whereas if you start a position with high leverage, if you for some reason have to deleverage that position, then you have to put more of your money on the line. So that's how people get bad, because it's like a crab trap where the system is designed where you can go deeper and deeper into it, but you can't go backwards, because people when they're forced to deleverage, all of a sudden their whole fucking balance is in their trade, and then that's how they get squeezed out and murdered.
Got it.
But yeah, if you start low lev like 5x and then you're like 10% in the green, then you can like up leverage, and then you're even farther from your lick price and your gains are more. And like I just think that's the better way to do it, is like starting lower and then expanding as the opportunity becomes a more positive risk scenario.
Got it. So you're not adding more money per se. You're just upping your leverage.
Well, you could, you know, because I mean, as you get more confirmations, yes, the price is going up, but maybe it goes up and then it pulls back a bit. So yeah, I mean, you could up leverage and add contracts, but it's up to you. But only raising leverage will just, if you don't add contracts with it and you only raise leverage, then technically less of your money's on the table. So
got it. Yeah, I've been doing nothing but 30, but you got to keep in mind that I have my bots, that dollar cost average. But still, I mean, I haven't lost money yet, but I know that's just a time bomb doing that. So I've been just playing. But no, man, I'm telling you, the market cipher thing is the shit. I've told the CryptoFace since first started playing with it. I was like, dude, this is way too cheap. I'm making this in like hours.
We are on the 4-hour chart making a textbook Chinese trumpet. And so I don't know if we'll have another big candle. It's possible we'll have like one more, maybe shoot up to 8,700, although I wouldn't necessarily bet on it. But I'm imagining we'll have a couple thin candles and then a big one. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 4 is 16 hours. So I don't know, I think we might chill here, might see a little bit lower price, maybe 85.50, 8,500 potentially, you know, but this could have been the Friday boner, could have not been. Either way, we've been long since 7,800, selling, re-entering, selling, re-entering. Yes, folks, we've had 2 little short scalps go $30 the opposite way, where both times I said make sure it's a small entry. God forbid. The guy still hasn't fucking sent me his address for a refund. So, if you don't have anything nice to say and you still want to be in the group, don't say it at all. If you don't want to be in the group anymore, then bitch, it's fine with me. Go ahead and bitch. Just make it clear that, you know, you get the fuck out. Get the fuck out.
I mean, we got noobs coming in and their lives are changed in a week, and then here they are right in the chat. I see him, Cryptoverse. This guy's fucking changed his life in like
this Cryptoverse guy was flopping and groping, sort of annoying, and
he had questions.
It's okay. It doesn't matter, because at the end of the day, the only thing that matters is what? Dollars and cents. He's
bags.
Fucking turned into a little fucking killer. He's a little trade gnome. And he's not annoying anymore. He got straightened out.
Dude, how long ago did I get access to Market Cipher? How long ago was that? Like 4 days ago?
Yeah, maybe 3 days, 2-3 days.
Okay, I'm up $2,700, and we talked, like, I've watched like 2 of your videos on how to do it.
Yeah.
I mean, and I'm doing stupid 30x dumb shit, but it's because I can see the future. So it's that easy. It's too cheap. You guys, if you don't get in, I'm not gonna.
Go ahead.
I'm not gonna let you sell this for this cheap much longer. I'm gonna totally. I'm telling you.
Well, technically, The
I'm
price.
just gonna make shoe money Cipher thing, and I'm just gonna text people, be like, yo, I'm gonna charge like 10 grand a month, and I'm just gonna give you half.
All right.
And
Yeah.
but you're gonna power it,
You can do that.
and I'm gonna show you. You're gonna be like, God damn it, why didn't I charge up? Because all I know is since I got Market Cipher, all I hear is beep beep, and it's the Brinks truck backing into my yard. Backing
Yeah,
up to my
fucking just
house.
dropping the dirt, baby. Let's see that dirt come in, baby. Let's see those gems, that marble.
Beep beep. There it is right now.
Telling you. We said ETH was going to go in the 260s. There's the boner candle on ETH. I gave that one out for free. Even if I, let's say if I did, I'm not saying I'm going to. I know a third of the chat hates shoe money right now. It's okay. But even if I did raise the price, guys, I mean, I give out a lot for free.
Those sports picks were 9 and 10 or some shit, dude. You were including those free in the live stream last
Yes.
time.
Yes, our sports picks are on
That was
fire
a
too. We'll
golden
see if we pull the
opportunity.
win today.
A few
Today's
people got that special. That was a great special.
Today's bet is the Pittsburgh Pirates versus the Miami Marlins. We're taking the over of 8 runs. Over 8 runs.
Yeah,
If it's
man. We
8
want
runs,
people to
we
feel
tie.
good when they get a service from us, you know?
Yeah, for sure.
What do you guys throw down? Crypto versus sports versus whatever.
What do you mean?
Because you guys are junkies for this stuff. I can tell. It's not a rocket science.
Well, you hit me kind of deep there, bro.
No, that's good. That's
I'm not a
good.
junkie gambler anymore. Like, I gamble within. I mean, let's face it. You know, we're in this business. We're in this world. There's a smart way and a dumb way to do, you know, like the gambling type shit. But you know, I bet 1,000, 2,000 per game for the most part.
But it's not really gambling. It's strategic betting.
Yeah, that's a good
It's
way to
just
put it.
risk. Yeah, there's risk management involved, though. You know, you can't sit at the $50 blackjack table with $100. Like even if
For
you're
sure.
counting cards, you'll lose.
Well, that's also why I'm kind of winning on these two, is because I'm fucking jacked on the exchange, and I'm just dollar cost averaging down because I can play, because I have the cash to do it. I'm not scared.
Technically, the price is going up for Market Cipher. As long as Bitcoin is going up in value, you know what I mean? Then technically the price is for the value. But if we're true crypto nerds, then we only value Bitcoin for Bitcoin value. We don't even peg it to a price. Since if we're following the
We're mass
Satoshi's
adopting.
vision,
Mass adoption. 2 Bitcoin for the Cipher.
Yeah, right now. Well, yeah. What are you gonna do when Bitcoin hits like 250K, or that guy eats his dick, or whatever was going on with that?
Yeah, McAfee. Yeah.
Yeah. What are you gonna do when it goes to 250K? You gonna let people still get it for $800?
I wonder if he's gonna salt his
Fuck no,
balls.
dude. It's a 0.1 Bitcoin cost, so it'll be 25K.
Yeah, people will be paying 100x for it.
No, I see what you mean, though. I see
But at
what
the
you
same
mean.
time,
The
in the
little guy
crypto
won't be able to
community,
afford it when it's $1 million of Bitcoin. That's for sure.
need some water.
So can we talk shit about him while he's away?
He's gonna hear, dude. He's got his mic on.
Oh, never mind.
He'll ask me for a Cipher refund. I don't want to talk shit. I love how he does those public lynchings and shit. He's a psycho.
I'll double your money back.
You know, for those of you who know, I know only a third of the chat, the poor people, don't like shoe money, but he's got a point. Listen, he used to party with Ty Lopez and all those people. He was a big deal.
Ty used to be a groupie. He was a groupie back in the day.
You're talking about raising the prices on shit, so I don't think anyone in the chat likes you, Shoe Money.
I've got some crazy Ty Lopez. I've got some behind the scenes video Ty Lopez from 8 years ago.
Was he
All
doing some
kinds of
gay
people.
shit?
He was a dude. He was a groupie. He would follow us around these conferences. Like
Oh.
he'd go get us freaking drinks. We'd be like, hey man, go here's $100. Like, go get us a couple.
You gave him money! No! Oh, Ty Lopez, he was just... But look where he is, though. He like... Oh, hang on. I gotta take this phone call.
Yeah, watch. Any minute I'm gonna get a text from him. Because I'm sure he's watching, right? If he sees this, I'll never hear the end of it. It's so funny in crypto, you run into these people like Joel Com and these other guys that are running these major conferences that were like small fish in the previous industry that I was in.
Yeah, well, it's a new dominance hierarchy.
I see people all the time on Telegram from Arbin and Nova and other things that are like, "Are you the Shoe Money?" And I'm like, "Yeah." And it's like, I'm like, dude, I'm all balls. They want me to help them with like affiliate marketing and marketing. I'm like, listen, that was a previous life. I'm like all balls deep into crypto right now.
It's a good time to get in, dude. It's like my #1 focus right now. Crypto.
Yeah, my girlfriend's not real happy about it, but I love. She's like, how do you not go blind looking at? Yeah, how do you guys maintain chicks?
Oh, it's easy.
How do you do it?
I got a girl of 5 years, bro, and she has passions too. She's not one of those girls where she's like, you know, give me attention all the time or whatever. Like she's painting right now.
Well, she probably also likes the beep beep Brinks truck backing up to the house.
She likes, yeah. We went on a nice vacation. We went to the beach, so.
Yeah. Yep. That helps.
We went shopping today. You know what I mean?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I was telling Face we got to meet up in Vegas. Hookers and blow. I'm just kidding,
down,
baby.
dude.
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding, baby. And no hookers and blow involved.
No, I would bring her with me. She can be a bad bitch when she wants to, but that's why it works so well, you know?
Yeah.
Because she's hot and but she's also talented and she has her own stuff that she's into, so.
Yeah, I'm in semi the same boat. I just gotta figure. Cause now I'm like, man, when I get into something, I get into something, and like this crypto thing, like I want to be I got into poker and I just freaking went balls out till I was winning tournaments, and then now it's like just learning this stuff is like endless. It's amazing. Like I said, this market Cipher thing is it's an ATM.
Ugh, I know it gives me anxiety. I'm like, how does this scale? Like, it just scales to infinity. We could just do this. We could just fucking do market Cipher.
It does. It really can scale to infinity. Like and I've just been like using it on Bitcoin. Like that's why like our market Cipher chat is nuts. Like you can use it in stocks. You can use it in gay forex stuff. You can use it like in shit coins. Like
anyone here chasing pips?
Yeah, you can use it for little pip bullshit.
All right. What do we take from this little green line underneath here? In this how far away it is from the candles? I'm looking at the 15-minute chart. For
What are
newbies
you
like me,
talking
what does that mean? The little green line is going.
Which
do I have
one?
some weird ass
In
indicator?
Cipher B?
Alright, yeah, which cipher? A, B.
I don't know. I'm on Bybit. I'm just looking at the chart on Bybit. Never mind. Never mind my dumbass question.
It sounds like you're flopping and groping.
Yeah, you
Flopping,
you're flopping,
flopping
a
and
little
groping. Flopping for air. I'm flopping
It's
for air.
it's a humbling admission. It's not like always an insult. It's a humbling admission, like more than half the time.
Yeah, well, I'm definitely doing it.
No, it's good because when you know you're being greedy, when you know you're flopping and groping, that's the first step, is being like self-aware, you know? Because then you can risk accordingly. But if you're just blind, just flopping and groping, you don't even know you're flopping and groping.
So here, folks, we are just repeating, like I said, like we always say, Bitcoin picks a pattern. In this case, there's like 3 patterns Bitcoin keeps on repeating. Chinese trumpets, Russian spritzers. There's another one too, right now. But and we're just gonna assume it's gonna do the same. So look, it did still Chinese trumpet, and I'm gonna assume it's gonna maybe come down a little bit and flop around until the next one. So, you know, if you sold and took profits, which I did, I have sold and taken profits, I'm going to be looking to sprinkle a spritzer back in at the 85.50s, 85.80s. Or my re-entries. Yep.
Well, I just had to Google what a Russian spritzer is.
What did you find?
A bunch of drinks.
Yeah, it's like a fizzy, like it's fizzing up, you know. I for some reason I get what he says when he says the Russian spritzer.
I get the trumpet thing, but the spritzer, I just go with it. Brand it. It's all you.
Yeah, man, it's whatever. The Chinese TA, you know.
Yeah. I'm definitely making a bot around Bybit. I'm not using 3 commas by BitMEX anymore. Cause I love Bybit. I need some. I'm a programmer. I can't do this stuff manually. I can click buttons though.
I need a bot to do it for me.
Yeah, I make money while I sleep.
Yeah,
I
man.
feel that.
Wait till I make this bot, and then
This
you'll
is
be.
the AI. This is the age of the AI is upon us. We're laughing at him now. We're calling him a nerd now, but he'll be laughing to the bank.
Brinks truck. It's all about the Brinks truck. 20 years I've been doing this. I haven't worked for anyone for 20 years. Dude, imagine it's probably totally illegal. Imagine you do software where people could just put in their API keys into Bybit and you just freaking boom, boom, boom. You could then you just freaking Brinks truck. No
Yeah,
joke.
man.
I can build that. I'm telling you right now. I won't charge you a dime.
The double, triple bottoms again do hold weight in Chinese technical analysis. The flagpole double bottoms, we said, I don't know how many videos ago, but this one is a super bullish pattern. Although, I believe there was 2 or 3 flagpoles before this one that actually did break down a little bit on smaller time frames, on like 15-minute time frames. Other than that, they've always led to rises. Some little, some big. This is a big one, and it's a good one. This is good shit. It is still pumping,
dude.
fucking A.
It was a good bottoming formation. It was just like a bullish curve. It was like a bullish rising parabolic curve. It was a really cool bottoming formation with that triple bottom.
Damn, we could see one more fucking candlestick, you know, like the Chinese trumpet. The shaft might not be done yet. There might be another boner to the shaft. Man, this is beautiful. God, I love these gains.
Look at people in the chat. We don't want bots or APIs, man. It would be another BitMEX. Really? If there's 20 of us? It's gonna be another Bit. All right. Well, you don't get access.
We got shoe money in the chat here.
Look at the 1 minute.
Shoot
Even
money
the
with
1
that.
minute Blue Wave called it. I wish I would have looked at this. Boom, right here. Bang, right before the pump. There's a bigger one plus the 2 dots. Smaller one. Bam. Look, even this one. Bam. What about this one? Let's see what happened here. Boom, even this one. Even the 1 minute Blue Wave is so on target right now. Golly. Gotcha. It's back to 8,700. Please, if this goes to 8,800, you realize that we pegged 88. That'll be twice in a row where I nailed it on the fucking head.
You're the fucking pimp, bro.
Thanks, bro. I appreciate it. I appreciate
You're
it.
the king.
Facestradamus.
There isn't even a fucking title, man. You're a sultan. You're a sultan. Cal Crypto Faith.
Again, a Russian spritzer. This is a mini 1 minute spritzer. We'll see how far it dumps off of the spritzer. If it only comes down a little bit to 86.50, man, it might launch.
All right, boys. I have to run.
Well, don't do it with
It's
scissors.
been a pleasure. It's been a pleasure and an honor to be on here. And thanks for letting the Brinks truck make a pit stop at my crib.
Right on, dude.
Shooting the shit with you, shoe money. Yeah, thanks for joining
Yeah.
us.
Thank you for all you do and for putting up with my annoying newbie ass flopping and grabbing and groping questions.
You're not that bad, buddy.
All right. I'll talk to you guys later.
All right,
Peace
see ya.
out, man.
Hey, this faggot Brian Lee messaged me, but he didn't tell me who he was in the whale crew. This dumbass thinks I'm gonna send him a refund without him telling me his username in the whale crew. Brian, you're a little bitch, bro. You are a little bitch. So just tell me who you are, bro. Let me know who you are, and you never gotta worry about me again. You can get the fuck out. So message me on your actual account that's in the whale crew, bitch. And I'm more than happy to, like I said, I'll even pay you extra. I'll even send you extra. I'm gonna send you a tip to get the fuck out. And then he blocked me. What a little bitch. He said what he said on a fucking different account. What a little weasel. God, these people are bitches.
A man named Brian. Brian.
Brian the bitch. Giving other Brians a bad name.
I'm not hating on all Brians, but
No, most Brians are cool, just not this one.
Brain. No worries, Brain. We'll find you. I don't know why that was funny.
I just want to see it take 8,800 before 12, before midnight. The fact, bitch Brian, that you are too much of a bitch to message me on your actual account speaks volumes. That shows you're just a beta. The fact that you're a little negative dweeb when we have so much gains, the major gains, speaks volumes on you, bitch. So please.
Why are you still talking shit, dude? What the fuck? Why you're hiding?
I know. Why are you hiding, bro?
Internet bitches, dude.
Why are you hiding like a bitch?
Like you dug yourself in this hole, dude. Like you could have gotten yourself out like multiple times. You're making me cringe, bro. I'm cringing
Super
at
cringe.
Midday cringe.
It's and like people like him are the worst. It's always like there's always like at least one, and it's always when we nail huge moves. They're like, but we, oh, we had two scalps go back the $30 though. Faggot. He even made a brand new wallet. He made a brand new wallet address. That's how I was searching his wallet to see if I can like find the date, find the account that it's in the whale crew. He made a brand new wallet address. Pathetic. Here we go. Look, the Russian spritzer came down just a little bit. I wouldn't be surprised if we go back up to 8,700. I wouldn't be surprised if we see it again.
Again. Oh, I just want to scream. I want to like do coke and scream right now.
There's like just so many mixed emotions.
I know.
But why?
The anticipation, the anxiety, the hatred.
I know, dude. Like I just want to, like I feel really strong right now. Like I kind of just want to, bam, like
Dude, I know.
punch a fucking hole in the wall. And write Brian Lee on it. Pah, bitch. Can the real Brian Lee please stand up? The whale discussion right now.
Brain Lee.
People are being accused of being Brian Lee.
There's like
This guy's like, I'm not Brian Lee, dude.
Look.
Oh man.
Is there a public lynching going on here?
Someone's like, his name is Brian. He said one time.
I love how all the whales start betraying him. Everyone's like pointing their fingers at him. You know? They're like, it was him.
I want to offer a reward for someone that brings me his head. Show me who Brian.
Man.
If someone knows who Brian Lee is and can prove it, I'm gonna give you 0.1 Bitcoin. That's like $800 right now. And I'll tell you why it's worth it. because we have people in real life situations. We have people with families and whatnot. And so the mindset is very important. And that's why people go, crypto face gets so defensive. When it's funny because I don't get defensive when someone asks me a serious question. But when someone's like, you're lying, you're full of shit, how come you do this? Like, if you show respect, you get respect. But if you talk like a little conniving bitch, then I'm gonna talk to you like you are a little conniving bitch. See? So, do you treat others? You know, I'll just treat others how they deserve to be treated. We're too grown for this bullshit. You know?
I mean, yeah, we come from a loud Italian family too, so I mean, we're always when we're happy, we're yelling at each other. You know, it's how we auto-regulate each other that way. But
and if you're a bitch, we're gonna call you out on it too. And Brian Lee is the bitch of the week so far. And there's been a few. He's worse than the horse guy.
Dude, that's saying something. Bro.
He's yeah.
I was like, are you serious, dude?
Brian Lee, you are worse than the horse porn guy that was trying to threaten us.
He's worse than horse porn. Oh man, I don't even know about that, dude. That guy was whack. That guy was like, I don't even want to think about that guy.
He was whack. But I actually sort of forgive him because he was a veteran. He's obviously been through some weird, fucked up shit. And so he has an excuse. Like, he has an excuse. Damn, someone claims that they found him. IBYG, bro. IBYG, are you sure? I'm kind of like multitasking here, guys. Bear with me.
Looking on that 1 minute momentum, looks like it's at the 0 line. On the 5 minute, I maybe see a little divergence here. It did go higher in price. It shot up higher, but the momentum came down a bit.
No random commenters coming in to telling about what to do next. The last person, I don't remember his name, but remember he said go short at 8,400 and end up fucking skyrocketing literally 5 minutes later. Please, I treat my YouTube chat just like I treat my YouTube, unless you are deemed someone that is credible instead of a Chad. The green transactional is thick. It's alright, Chad.
Chad's bad. That was Chad's bad.
Who else loves to cup their farts? What have we turned into? It's like a mad party right now. It's Friday. We have the boner candle. Like, it's a fucking clown.
Mad.
Bunch of clowns, bouncing jesters, and fucking beans. But we're laughing to the bank, baby. The face community is laughing to the bank. To the bank. Yes, with these shorts, for the past long time, the Bitcoin shorts is literally just when the shorts are going up, so is the price. When the shorts go down, then it goes down. Strong indication. So whoever's shorting like long term is just getting butt rammed hard.
It's all those people DCAing. Everyone's just dollar cost averaging into a short that they probably entered at like late 7Ks, early 8Ks. Takes a while for the market sentiment to catch up with like the actual price. Yo, Joseph, it's at the real crypto face. Just did a promo on there. Like and follow and show some love.
Let's see here. Finally got the transact. Where's the blockchain? Blockchain hash.
Might go play racquetball here in a little bit, but not yet.
All right.
I might have to leave here. I might have to leave here soon.
Okay. Yes, if you're vacationing in the US, you just need a VPN on registration and then they don't care. Was this it? No. Was this it? No. Not finding this guy's transaction.
Man, Kirby ain't picking no fight, man. Why are you spreading it? Why are you spreading?
Yeah, it's still 0.9. Akaban. This Reese dude's a troll. He's trolling. Get the fuck out of here. Again, the public sports pick for today is the Pittsburgh Pirates against Miami Marlins. We're taking the total over 8 runs. Damn, I've made 1.65 BTC on this account from our trades today. That's what I've shaved too.
Nice, bro.
Damn, that's 14K. Not a bad day for 14K.
Yeah, man. Yeah, I made 500 today. Definitely a smaller chunk, but still a good percent. I'm cool with it. I gotta withdraw, man. I'm gonna withdraw some like actual USD value. Wet my beak.
I think I'm gonna buy this pendant, this Boo pendant. It's so awesome. I love his tongue. I wish it was a little bigger though. It's pretty small. It's like barely bigger than a quarter. So it's small. But the right bitch catches it. Yeah, I see that. Yeah, bitch. I know you do. I got something else for you. Boo. Boo, bit. What was I doing just now? Okay, Sid's good. The SPY today. Man, what a short signal for market cipher on the S&P 500. Just consecutive smaller and smaller waves, just boop, 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 leading to a big dump. That's awesome. And then boom, nailed the long right here. That's so sick. Golly. All right, folks. We're gonna call it a stream. The 0.9 special, the 10% off either Whale Crew and or whatever the fuck is still on. I'm tired. I'm gonna get something to drink and chill. And congratulations to all the face community. We have been nailing this bitch. We're gonna continue to do so. It's gonna keep on going. The game plan is the same. Keep shaving. We re-enter, shave a little, enter a little, shave a little, enter a little. Just like we're skating on ice. We're like ice skaters. Your right foot is the shave. Your left foot is the entry. Shave, enter, shave, enter. Pizza, French fry. Pizza, French fry. And we're just gonna skate all the way on up. Keep taking our profits every day. Yippee-ki-yay. Y'all have a good one.